Why would you not do that? Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Like, why would you not do that? Why would you not? Do you see this look? I want to make sure that I'm able to show you how to create this look each and every time you click on one of my videos. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip. Starting off with the shade Comfort Zone from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm using that as a transition color. With any look that you want to be, how can I say this, like extremely well blended, you want to make sure that you're laying down a transition color. It allows all the other colors that you will apply on top of that to blend seamlessly, and it also creates kind of like a barrier so that way things don't get out of proportion. So Comfort Zone was a great shade for me. The next shade that I'm using is Homebody. Homebody is a more burnt orange, I guess, for lack of better words, that I use to help intensify the Comfort Zone shade that I originally placed into my crease. And I'm literally just building that color up to my liking. And again, using that same Morphe blending brush to just distribute it across the lid and into my crease. So that way I have the perfect like gradient transition. Now, the shade that I'm using that is not in this palette is Bentley from the Morphe Oh Boy palette. I'm using that kind of as like the bread pieces of the halo eye. And then I went back into the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and I used Drama Queen as my lid shade. Now, one thing that I will say about the shimmers in this palette, I don't know if maybe I'm just using the wrong brush, but it was a little hard for me to get that color to pay out the way that I wanted it to do. But of course, once I did get it down, I did just go back over the brush with a little bit more of Bentley and intensify the outer corners. And now you guys see me using my mascara, which as always is the LANCOME Monseuir mascara in Black is Black. I believe that's the shade name. And just getting some of that product off of my lashes. And then you guys know I've also become a sucker for brown eyeliner, so I'm literally just using that on my lower lash line so that way I can line that lid, but also not create such a harsh like, oh, she's wearing eyeliner on the bottom. So I'm using that same LA Girl that you guys have been seeing me use in the last few tutorials. And then of course applying mascara, and then also my falsies. These are just some drugstore wispy lashes that I got from the hair store. They don't have a website. I've already tried to look, so I don't have a link for you guys, but any wispy fluffy lashes will do for this look. And yeah, so once I get these lashes on, I'm actually going to jump into setting my face and giving it like some type of life, because after all the powders and everything you put on there, you definitely want to make sure you are spraying your face so it brings back some type of luminosity. And I'm using my LORAC Tantilizer highlighter today for the glow. I like it because it's not as intense. It just gives you just enough about it. And then I'm going to be using my oldie but goodie, the NICKA Coco lip liner. You can get this at your hair store. I believe they're either like $1.99 or 99 cents, depending on which hair store you go to. But this lip liner is bomb for brown girls. And then I'm bringing back my combo look for you guys I told you guys about, I think maybe a video or two ago. But Hot Chocolate from FENTY and Praline from NYX, they both stand alone and they do the job, but together they are a force to be reckoned with, okay? Like, you guys are gonna see how bomb my lips look after I apply both of these glosses. So I did apply Praline first, and then I go on top of it with Hot Chocolate, because the FENTY glosses seem to have a little bit more of a hot shine. And literally that is it. This look was super simple, straight to the point. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is the big reveal, even though you guys kind of already seen what I look like anyway. This hair is from Bon Vivant Tresses. That link is always down below in the description box to get your units made, or just to purchase hair if you want to make your own units. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna post my latest video up here in this next slide. Make sure you click on it, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.